there was a complaint at the Fatorda police station in the month of May against 5 accused persons who were basically accused of assaulting a minor at the KTC bus stand. And out of which I was representing one Akshay Talwar, who was previously also arrested in another assault matter by the Fatorda police station, the Mungul assault matter. And today his bail was granted. The sections that were put against him were 191(2), 115(2), and also Section 8 of the Goa Children's Act. Now, the court has put the condition that 25,000 personal bond and a surety of like amount. Besides that, the court has also put a condition that he should not enter the area where the victim and the complainant reside. And besides that, the other sections are normal sections. The court has accepted my argument that the family of the accused were not served with a copy of the grounds of arrest, which is mandated by law. And accepting that argument, the court has granted me the bail.